Yeah. Woo! Stains be gone. William pulled up. Anderson Creek. July 30. Let's ride. Stains be gone, did that. 6 areas brought back. Realtor made 1 call. William handled all that. Carpets look blessed now. Neighbors all react. Anderson Creek say stay be gone, did that. Whole house bounced back. Fresh lunch, fresh smell. Got the whole floor snap. When they want the best, they call William back. Phone started ringing round 8 that morning. Realtor talking said the closing was important. Need these carpets looking picture perfect quick. Homebuyers walking through, gotta make them commit. Loaded up the van, pulling out clean. Orange and teal shining, everybody seen. Veteran known, always showing up on time. Treat every single house like it's one of mine. Back in first in the pre-spray soap. Agitate the fibers till the stains all broke. Hot water extraction doing what it do. Dirty water leaving water fresh comes through. Walking room to room like a championship run. Every stripe looking brighter underneath the sun. Cleanse, keep smiling every step they take. That's another happy homeowner. Stains be gone, mate. When the realtor call, we answer every time. If the carpet looking tight, we bringing it back alive. No shortcuts over here, we cleaning every line. God gave us these hands, now it's our time to shine. Stains be gone, did that. 6 areas brought back. Realtor made 1 call, William handled all that. Carpets look blessed now, neighbors all react. Stains be gone, did that. Whole house bounced back. Fresh lines, fresh smell, got the whole floor snap. When they want results, they call William back. Anderson Creek know exactly who to call when the traffic coming through for an open house crawl. Every room fresh like it just got built. Years of dirt gone, every stain got killed. You can smell clean walking through the front door. Clients standing smiling saying, tell me one more. What machine you using? What product is that? I just smile back. Stains be gone, did that. Built his business all through faith and grind. Putting God first every single time. Serving every customer with integrity first. Never chasing money, always giving it out.